Hey, what's up guys, it's Hector here back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to go ahead and compare the Razer Siren X microphone and the Blue Yeti microphone to see which one is better in terms of design, performance, and price. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Starting off with the design of the Razer Siren X, it is small, lightweight, and portable, and is even able to be detached, while the Blue Yeti microphone is considerably heavier. However, personally, I prefer the Razer Siren X's design because it looks a lot more sleeker and is small and lightweight. However, the Blue Yeti microphone's design still looks pretty modern and clean, but looks on about everything. And next, we're going to go ahead and test both of their performance. Starting off, we're going to look at which microphone is louder, and we're going to do that by testing the mics from 5 feet away with both the mics volumes turned up to the max. This is the test with the Razer Siren X from about 5 feet away. This is the Blue Yeti microphone from about 5 feet away. So as you can see in the video, the Blue Yeti microphone is considerably louder. Next, we're going to go ahead and test both the microphones up close, but still remaining a couple inches away, because that is what the distance will most likely be during normal use. This is the test with the Razer Siren X from a moderate distance. This is a test with the Blue Yeti microphone at a moderate distance. As you saw in the clip, the Blue Yeti microphone was considerably louder again, and in my opinion, the Blue Yeti mic also sounded better than the Siren X, because since it was able to pick up my voice more, it offered better background noise reduction, and overall just sounded better and clearer compared to the Razer Siren X. Now finally, let's move on to the price. The Blue Yeti microphone usually costs around $130, but since at the moment that I'm recording this, which is during Christmas time, it has gotten a discount which puts it at just $90. For the Razer Siren X microphone, however, is usually just around $100, but again, since it's Christmas time around the moment that I'm recording this, the Siren X is only around $70, which makes the Siren X on average $30 cheaper when the holiday seasons end, and only $20 cheaper right now. So the Siren X definitely wins in terms of price. Anyways, for the price, I definitely think that the Razer Siren X is a better value compared to the Blue Yeti microphone. And honestly, if you're not an audio professional, 9 out of 10 people are not going to hear a big difference between the Razer Siren X and the Blue Yeti. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you'd like to see more tech videos just like this, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys all in the next video.